Hi, lovely people. How are you? Well, if you read from the title, I'm going to be showing you the October 2018 lip service, what I got this month, and I'm also going to be announcing the giveaway winner for the Ipsy. Did I say that right? The Ipsy giveaway winner. But first, I'm going to show you what is in this October lip service. If you don't know, last month was the first month that I received this. I do pay for this myself. This is like more of a lip balm chapstick service, a monthly subscription. It is $5.95. Everything is, it's through different Etsy shops. So it's not through one like company. Every month they choose a different Etsy shop and that's what you will get. So it is all homemade too. And then you get a couple extra goodies. I believe you do pay for shipping. I think it's $2 shipping. So altogether it's $7.95. I will leave all the information down below, but let's see what is in here. Okay, let me see where the card is. I did like open it up and stuff, but all right, so this is the card for this month, apples, and I love apples, especially you put a little bit of peanut butter on your apples. Comment down below, how do you eat your apples? Do you eat them plain? Do you peel the peel off? Peel the peel off. You know what I mean. Do you like eating it with the, what the heck is that thing called? The skin? Let me know. All right, so it just says, I love autumn right there, and I will read it. It says, it is that all too short season that feels like a breath of fresh air between summer and winter. This month lip service is celebrating the season with a spiced apple cider lippy by Sire of Abel Skincare in Fairpoint, New York. Check them out on Etsy. We also included a new K-Beauty sheet mask to try in case you're feeling indecisive this fall. A little magic fish. I don't know what the heck that is, a magic fish. We guarantee he will be 50% as accurate as a magic 8-ball in making choices. Okay, maybe like the lolly. He is just fun. Enjoy, Rebecca. Okay. I need to keep my like little cheater glasses around me at all times because I'm having trouble singing. I know how to read, but I just, some of the words, it's like blurry. Anyway, okay. So the first thing we got, this is the new mask I guess they're talking about, is from Multivita. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before. Essential sheet mask, about time, 100% cotton. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And then on the back. All right, so I love getting skincare. I don't mind getting skincare. All right, so we have a few things in here. Oh, a lolly. Okay, lollipop. That's what they're talking about. So we got a Cookie Monster lollipop. All right, we got this magic fish. We're going to see what the heck this is in a second. And the month, I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm getting ready to travel to go see my daughter today, actually. And it's a 6-hour drive. And I'm like, I haven't seen her since I dropped her off on August 25th. So I'm so excited. I'm like giddy. Anywho, so this month is Spiced Apple Cider Lip Balm. Right there, if you guys can see. Okay. And it is by Red Jacket, established 1956 in New York. Okay, let's see if I can open this up. Ooh, oh, that smells good. It smells just like apple cinnamon. So that's what it looks like. There. Oh my God, that smells so good. I love lip balm. I love chapstick. I am diabetic. I say it in a lot of my videos, but just in case you're new. So my lips are always dry. My mouth gets dry. I'm always drinking water. I have to carry water with me at all times. So I'm glad to get this because everywhere I go, in the car, my makeup bag, in my bedroom, in the bathroom, in the kitchen, I have lip balm so I can always put on. So I'm excited for that. Now, what the heck is this? Fortune teller fish is what it says. Okay, and it says, place fish in palm of the hand and its movements will indicate. So it moves its head, it means it's jealousy. Moving the tail, indifference. Moving head and tail, in love. Curling size, fickle, turns over, false. Motionless, dead one. And curls up entirely means passionate, made in Taiwan. All right, so I guess right in here is the fish. So you're supposed to place it on the palm of your hand. Okay, I don't know what side. What does it say? Oh God, I can't read it. I'm not sure. So let's just, I'm going to place it right now on my hand. Okay, you ready? Let's see if you guys can see. Let's see what it does. Is that motionless? That means it's a dead fish? Is it dead? Let's turn it over and see. I don't know what side you're supposed to put it on. Okay, ready? I guess it's not going to do anything. So what does it say again? Moving head means jealous. Oh, it's turning over. Moving tail, indifference. Moving head and tail, curl size, turns over. Curls up entirely means passionate. So I guess it's curling up. So I guess I am up. Does that mean curling up? Or is it turned over? If it's turned over, that means false. Curls up means passionate. I don't know. Let me know. I am a passionate person. So let me know. Anyway, that's what we got for the... What is on my thing? So that's what we got. This is a hot mess video. That's what we got in the October 2018 lip service. So comment down below, do you guys like lip balms? I don't know. Do you think it's too expensive? I do like the fact you get extra things, but I'm going to try it out. I always try out new subscriptions for 3 months. So I will try it out 1 more month and then decide if I'll keep it or not. I liked last month's better. This month is okay. So we will see in 1 more month. So moving on to what you guys are probably all waiting for is the Ipsy giveaway. If you don't know, I always do Ipsy versus Ipsy. And then anything I get double of, things I know I'm not going to use or anything like that, I put it in an extra Ipsy bag. And then when it fills up, I do a giveaway. So it is definitely filled up. Plus I threw in a couple extra things. And I didn't go through Gleam this time. I just said leave a comment. All you had to do was leave a comment. I believe there was like 2.5 comments. We had almost 11,000, well, a little over 11,000 views. So I didn't want to be biased. I did that random comment picker, and I had my husband do it. Because I was like, oh God, you know, I always feel guilty. I don't know, because I want everybody to win something. So the person that came up is right here. This is her name. And she has been a subscriber for a while. I don't know if you guys can see it. But it is Amory Perales. I don't know if I said your name right. I am sorry. So please email me and give me your address and I will put it right in the mail for you. I want to thank you guys for everybody who entered. I have another thing that came in the mail that I'm going to do a giveaway. So it's probably going to be in my next giveaway, but I'm not going to put it in the title. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I do a lot of giveaways. And in my next video, I'll probably have a giveaway. Like I said, I will not put it in the title, so make sure that you watch it. I think I'm going to do the assume. I had on my community tab to assume some things about me, and I was going to make a video and tell you if it was true or false. And so I'll do that video next. So in that video somewhere will be a hidden giveaway. So that is a little sneak peek. That's all that I'm going to tell you. I'm not going to give any more sneak peeks. But anyway, guys, please like this video. It really does help me out. Subscribe if you haven't already. And leave a comment. Let me know how you eat your apples. That sounds weird, right? And let me know what you think of this subscription. Do you think it's worth it or not? I don't know. I'm on the fence. Anyway, guys, I love you. I'm going to get off of here, go see my daughter. I will upload this video when I get back. So when this video loads, you will know that I'm already back from the trip so I can answer your comments. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.